How to fix pink lines on a Samsung phone screen. Now, what you need to know is that a pink line is usually a hardware display issue and not a software bug. Although Samsung recommends checking for software issues first, but if the line remains after these checks, the display or its connection is likely the cause. And the way that you check this is by taking a screenshot of the phone, going to the gallery, checking out the photo, and then zooming in. If the line appears in the picture as well, it's a software issue, but if it doesn't appear, and it most likely will not appear, that means your display is the issue. Now there are two ways to fix this. Well, actually three. So the first way is to put it in the freezer. Now imagine the display flex cable has a tiny crack or a bond that's just starting to fail. When you cool the phone down, copper traces contract slightly, the flex cable contracts, the adhesive between the display driver and flex cable contracts, and then the crack or weak bond can momentarily press together again. So if that doesn't work, what you should try is heating it up, usually either with a lighter or a hairdryer. Heat does the opposite, everything expands. So the copper, the flexible PCB, the adhesive, the OLED layers, if the failed connection is being pulled apart, expansion can actually push the conductors back together. For a different type of failure, heat can make it worse instead. So that's why sometimes you see conflicting YouTube videos. Some people fix it with cooling, others with heating, and some methods don't do absolutely anything. It depends on how the connection failed. The best thing that you can do in all actuality is to either take it to a repair shop to repair the screen, or if you can spend a bit more money, buy a phone with an LCD display. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.